Their elating sounds amuse us all. Their sparkling eyes bring new charm to life. They joyfully learn about everything. They are our children, our bright future. But there are children mainly from poor rural families who are not so fortunate, as their childhood is crushed under extreme poverty and a gender-biased society. India has the largest population of young children. Every fifth young child of the world lives here. Every third young child in the country is born with a low birth weight, and here, every second young child is malnourished. Most of the young children in the country have no access to early childhood education. According to UN estimates, 72 million children in India do not have access to education. Early childhood is the most significant age, as they attain the fastest physical and mental growth at this age. Home and community, the first school, and mother as the first teacher of the child play an instrumental role in setting up the grounds for the overall development of the child. Care India, an international development organization, aims to provide early childhood education opportunities to all children, as it sees this as a fundamental right of the child. Care India, in its education program, helps children, especially girls, by ensuring their participation and learning every year. Care India's early childhood care and education program primarily works for poor rural children in partnership with the Department of Women and Child Development and welfare and other community-based organizations. The holistic development of the child is the key to early childhood care education programming, where approach to the ECE program is child-centered, age-appropriate, and ensures learning by providing varied opportunities. CARE's earlier experience in early childhood care and education include Aanchal, Snehal, and Sanjog. These innovative early childhood education initiatives, taken up in different situations in states like Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and the Andaman Nicobar Islands, were successful with positive results. It resulted in increased capacities of service providers and communities where children had learned through varied learning opportunities and methods. The children learned and enjoyed at the center, ensuring that transition at every stage was easy and smooth. A similar strategy is being adopted to ensure the children's transition in Samastipur district of Bihar under the Linked for Learning initiative. Linked for Learning, LFL, the ECCE initiative, targets the 0 to 8 age group of children and brings together the 3 early childhood learning centers: the home, the ICDS centers, and formal schooling. As the child moves from one stage to the other, the transition strategy creates a child-friendly environment for the children at these 3 different and critical levels.
स्कूल जा रही है तो रास्ता स्कूल पहुंचती है तो उसके दोस्तों को क्या होता है? अचरज होता है.
The key strategies of Linked to Learning initiative are building capacities of service providers that include Anganwadi workers, teachers, community and parents, ensuring child-centered practices and methods, context and age-appropriate, and child-friendly learning and teaching materials.
जब मैं यहाँ पे शुरू में आया था तो मैं यहाँ पे देखा था कि केंद्रों की स्थिति बड़ा दयनीय था. सेविकाओं को वो समझ नहीं था कि हमें किस तरह से काम करना है. बच्चों के साथ हमें कौन कौन सी गतिविधि करनी है, बच्चों के विकास के क्या क्या आयाम हैं, क्या घटक हैं, ये कंसेप्ट उनका नहीं था।
वहाँ बच्चे का नियमित आना नहीं था, बच्चे आते थे तो उनको ये पता नहीं था कि हम केंद्र पे क्यों जा रहे हैं। समुदाय की सोच बिल्कुल एकदम ये थी कि हम बच्चे को केंद्र पे भेज रहे हैं सिर्फ खिचड़ी खाने की।
मैं 1988 से आंगनवाड़ी कार्यकर्ता के रूप में हूँ। मुझे केयर के तरफ से जो ट्रेनिंग दिया गया है उससे मुझे बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला है। इससे पहले भी मैं अपने केंद्र पर अनेक प्रकार की गतिविधियाँ कराती थी, लेकिन हाव भाव के साथ नहीं करा पाती थी। मुझे उतनी समझ नहीं थी कि जो हाव भाव के साथ कराऊँ, जिससे बच्चे आंगनवाड़ी केंद्र पर उतना खुशी महसूस नहीं किया करते थे और 4 घंटे का समय मुझे बहुत परेशानी के साथ गुजारना पड़ता था।
In Bihar, 50 model sites, Anganwadis of government-run early child care and education programs, ICDS, Integrated Children Development Services, are developed and further linked to the formal primary school in their vicinity. Anganwadi workers and teachers use appropriate learning and play materials and teaching methodology to help the child's transition from one stage of mind to another, where learning becomes very easy, eventually preparing children for primary schooling. Here, these marginalized children, particularly belonging to scheduled castes, have got an opportunity to experience new ways of learning, both at the centers and in schools. The child-centered teaching methods and curriculum of Linked for Learning ensures development of all domains of the child, the social, emotional, physical and cognitive at the initial stages of life. The strategy motivates not only teachers and Anganwadi workers, but also the mothers to support development of mental skills of the children, who then easily transit from the first stage of learning to preschool and then to formal primary schooling. For this, the mothers and caregivers are trained on early stimulation practices for young children at home. These practices are ensured through home visits by Anganwadi workers.
मैं प्रत्येक दिन गृह भ्रमण के दौरान 2 या 3 घर जाती हूँ, माताओं से मिलती हूँ। जहाँ पर बहुत छोटे बच्चे हैं तो उन्हें कहती हूँ कि बच्चे को अच्छा से देखभाल कीजिए, फिर बच्चे को अपना दूध पिलाइए। जिस घर में बड़े बच्चे हैं, जैसे 3 साल से ऊपर के बच्चे हैं, उन्हें मैं कहती हूँ माताएं अपना ज़्यादा टाइम अपने बच्चों को दें, क्योंकि वो बच्चे जो हैं माँ के साथ ज़्यादा रहेंगे तो अपने मन की बात ज़्यादा माँ से बताएंगे और माँ की ओर आकर्षित होंगे।
Children are also helped with early literacy skills in reading, writing and arithmetic.
ट्रेनिंग के अनुसार मैं जो बच्चों के साथ गतिविधियां कराना शुरू की तो बच्चा उसमें बहुत खुशी का अनुभव करने लगे।
The present educational pattern in formal schools rarely ensures the continuation of the child-centered approach, and thus children have to face sudden exposure to instructive teaching, stricter rules and regulations, and unrealistic expectations of social behavior and formal learning.
केयर के माध्यम से हम लोग की एक प्रशिक्षण हुई, उसमें बताया गया कि किस तरह से हम लोग बच्चों के साथ व्यवहार करें, किस तरह से उन्हें बतावें तो बच्चे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्लास में बने रहें और बच्चे रुचि लेकर पढ़ सकें। जो पहले हम लोग पढ़ाते थे उससे बच्चे समझ नहीं पाते थे, फिर हम लोग छड़ी मार मार के उसको बताते थे, लेकिन अब जो है बच्चे खुद रुचि लेके पढ़ते भी हैं। बच्चे को बहुत मज़ा भी आता है, साथ साथ मुझे भी मज़ा आता है बच्चों को पढ़ाने में, और बच्चे में सीखने की प्रक्रिया बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ी है।
Linked for Learning ensures that formal schools adopt the child-centered methods and learning through experience with aims to develop children's early literacy skills of grade 1 and 2. The existing knowledge and new information are combined in such a manner that parents, communities and teachers alter their old daunting practices of teaching considered harmful for the child. One of the important strategies is to strengthen the government system at cluster and district levels and inform state and national level policies apart from capacity building of service providers and supervisors.
बच्चे बहुत जागरूक हो गए हैं। हम तो यही समझते हैं कि केयर इंडिया के कारण 25 केंद्र में जो हमको देखने को मिला है केयर इंडिया के कारण हो रहा है, क्योंकि और सब केंद्र पर वैसा हम देखने को नहीं हमको मिलता है।
समुदाय की सोच बदली है।
3, 4, 5 बरस के बच्चे सबको देखते हैं कपड़ा पहन करके स्कूल में जाते हैं।
They now mutually work together to build an environment of understanding and comfortable relationships, thereby ensuring smooth transition of the child from preschool to formal school. These children have had a gloomy past, but now they are all set to touch new horizons and a better place to live and grow as Care cares, the little toddlers.